Hey guys, here is a very beautiful makeup tutorial for you guys to learn from. The video credit goes to Ify Artistry. I'm going to drop our Instagram link to our Instagram account. I'm also going to drop our YouTube link to our YouTube channel, so you can go check her out and see what she's doing. Guys, I promise you're going to learn something good from this makeup tutorial, and I want you to watch to the end. And without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video properly. So guys, she's using micellar water to clean her face from any build-up dirt. Micellar water helps hydrate and cleanse your skin, removing any build-up dirt and oil, keeping your skin actually clean. So that's why she's using it to first of all cleanse her face before she applies anything. In case you're wondering, she's actually using the fan to dry her face quickly so she can get into the makeup. So she's moisturizing her skin. After the face is dried, she goes in with the moisturizer. I'm also going to drop the link to all the products she used on this client's face, so make sure you check the description. You're gonna see the link that will take you there, and make sure you watch till the end. If you or your client have a very dry skin, you want to make sure you go in with enough moisturizer so as to secure the foundation and everything you're gonna apply on the face together. So here she's using the second moisturizer, which is the Zaron hydrating moisturizer, to go in the second time so as to make the foundation stay and look classy. So guys, before you apply the second product, you also want to make sure that the first product you applied is very dried and soaked into the skin, right? Next, she's applying the mirror skin prep to actually control sweat on our T-zones and all those areas that you actually sweat on. So after that, guys, she went in with another primer to control the oil and sweating on her T-zones, and then she went in with her Kiss Beauty spray. So after that, guys, she went in with a fan again to make sure the face was properly dried and started applying foundation. You want to make sure you actually go gently with your blending so that it can turn out well just the way you want it. As you can see, she left some concealer unblended under the eyes for a later coverage. So you want to make sure you watch till the end and see how this goes. Contour coming right up. So she's onto nose contouring. And after contouring, she goes in with a beauty blender to blend the nose out. So she's applying blush to her face right now. So if you're a beginner watching this, she's actually applying blush. This pink thing on her cheek is called blush. In case you don't just know, I'm just trying to help people out there. So don't shoot me, alright? So right now she's blending the concealer on her face, the one she left before, blending it out onto the blush, right? So guys, I'm just gonna let you watch this video till the end, and please do make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more of these videos. And don't forget to check the description because I'm gonna drop the link to our Instagram account and YouTube channel like I said before. So guys, see you in my next video, and have a lovely day, a lovely night, a lovely afternoon.
wanted.